Hey guys, welcome to the Griddle guys. Thanks for checking out the channel. So here's the thing. Today's gonna be a little bit different. I put in an outdoor kitchen and to be honest, it's not quite as fancy as some of the outdoor kitchens you see on YouTube. But Chris and Jeff are here, just behind the camera. Chris is right there. So we're gonna cook our dinner tonight in my outdoor kitchen. So check this out. This is our kitchen eating area, cooking area right here. So a little bit, we need to do a little bit more to finish it up. Jeff's gonna have that job.
Minimalist.
Very minimalist.
Yeah.
Over here is our food prep area, right? Got a nice sturdy surface here to work on. Got a little bit of rain cover. As long as you're short enough, you don't have to duck.
Nate's adding a lot of value to the neighborhood. A lot of value.
Got your critical cooking tools, you know. So we're going old school today. Stick around and have dinner with us. We'll see you after the intro. So here's our kitchen stove / griddle for tonight. A company called Lifedoo sent this to us, how long ago?
17 years.
Yeah.
A couple of months.
So,
End of last season.
so if you work for Lifedoo, we apologize for taking so long to get to this review. But in any case, you guys can see, this is a portable fire pit. Flat packs nicely. We're gonna see how it works tonight.
Got some greats.
And between the three of us,
That's the whole thing right there.
That is way
That's the whole
different than I
thing.
expected.
yeah.
Really?
Doesn't look that
Yeah,
heavy either.
and I threw out the instructions. so here you go.
Well, guys don't follow instructions anyway. It doesn't matter.
Between the three of us, Jeff's
we'll
definitely the
figure it
best
out.
at building stuff. So Jeff, you get that job. Chris, this doesn't run on propane, so we're gonna need you to get some firewood.
I'm on it.
Yeah.
I'll get on that right now. I think Nate thought he was giving me a hard job on that one. I don't, not when I got this.
Am I actually assembling this?
Yeah,
I thought we were going to do it on camera.
I'm filming right now. This is a good test. See how easy it is to build with no instructions at all. Oh, I think I was wrong. So, Jeff, I thought this little piece here,
Yeah.
I thought it was a second shelf for food. I think it goes in the bottom.
Yeah. Something like that.
Yeah. See, I knew you were the right guy for the job.
Nice.
What are the rest of the pieces for?
These are the skewers. And if you want to use that.
Beautiful.
Ah, perfect timing.
And there's our wood guy.
So what's this?
That goes in the bottom.
So this thing sits on it?
Yeah.
Howdy, neighbors.
Burgers and sausage over a fire pit. Come back in about an hour and a half, maybe two, they might be done. I do this because he thinks you get more manly if you can light a fire without making small firewood. But I find for small firewood, this is my trick. Get a good hot fire going fast.
What you're cutting is already small.
Well, look at the size of the stove. You know, plus we want to eat soon.
Safety first. Got your glasses, got your gloves.
Yep. And then the axe is actually very dull.
That helps.
All right, Chris, you want to get the torch ready?
Where'd he go?
Back of the car. I'm sorry. Back of the kitchen prep area.
When you say torch, you mean
Here we go.
grill blazer,
So you can get
sous vide gun, the best thing ever. Which, by the way, be a link in the description below. I think you hit it, you get 10% off just from buying it from the Grill guys.
Yeah.
so you can get that started while I keep splitting. We're gonna want to build kind of something real hot, kind of quick.
Love that thing.
Mild. Almost done. Nate, your wood's all gone. Feel the heat.
I'll do that one more time.
Can't you just lay it down in there, Chris?
I love this thing. I really do.
I don't know if that's actually gonna go.
So I'm already thinking four-wheeling. This could, if it packs up like that.
Let's not jump to any conclusions.
Well, I'm just saying. You bring your little pre-cut firewood from Nate.
So that packs up nice and easy. I'm not sure about the sous vide grill blazer.
This?
Then again, you probably put that anyway.
This is definitely coming. This will fit under my seat in my quad. We'll find a way.
For wood that's like 5 years old, expected this to split a lot easier.
It's a lot of wood in there. Like you can't even get your grate on right now, I don't think.
No,
You
I
gotta wait for
can't,
some of
I
that to
know.
burn down. Once the grate's on there, still be enough room on each side to still feed it if you need to, Nate. He's more of a pyro than I am. He can't stop.
So I have a plan here. I don't want to take 3 hours to get this hot enough to put some food on
That's
it.
going pretty good. I'm happy with that.
All right, should get nice and warm.
Let's get the sausage on there.
You guys saw how quick this lit up. Used, I don't know, 3 sticks of wood.
Well, it didn't let up quick. He did
Well,
use
yeah.
like a flamethrower.
The grill blazer does help it
Grill
light
blazer
quickly.
rocks.
So typically when you're cooking over a fire, you would let this like die down to coals and then you move the coals under. I don't want to wait that long.
Plus the
So
sausage. Sausage takes a while.
we're either gonna burn the heck out of this or we're not. But what I'm gonna do is start the sausage on the unlit side and just keep taking the one closest to the fire and moving it back. Hopefully that radiant heat coming from the embers.
Is that the hot and spicy sausage?
It is the hot and spicy. That's pretty hot too.
Wow. Those are the big ones too. They get those at the market?
Yeah, and
those are
apparently I can't.
With such
well,
confidence the way he's handling that right now. just swinging it around like a boss.
I'm gonna put that one on top of those two. How's that?
I think that'll
All
work.
right, Jeff, set a timer.
Forever and a day.
We'll be back.
All right, so it's been maybe 10 minutes, would you guys say?
Yeah,
So a couple
right.
things we've learned. One, we should have let the paint burn off first. So, you know, that's interesting.
A little bit of a funky smell. No big deal.
Two, splitting the wood so small, got it going real quick. I kind of like how the embers fall out the bottom. But as you can see, it burns down quick too, which is actually giving us a surface to cook on sort of right away. And now it's just managing the heat so that stuff doesn't burn.
Well, you should say you started the fire on the way right. We started the fire on the way right.
Yeah.
And it's slowly moving across the whole thing.
I should say that, but you just did for me, so. Yeah, well, the other thing with that is I had sloped this side down with the wood just so that it didn't catch all at once. And it seems to be working.
It's a neat little thing, right? I'm thinking. I like it.
So far, so good, huh? This is just real hot over here. You can see as soon as I put something down there, it starts to brown right up.
What's even better is that we're not doing anything.
I'm kind of enjoying that too.
Yeah, it's about time for a Nate cook
Right?
like this.
I gave him plenty of wood the way this thing's eating up wood.
Yeah. Gonna go through it quickly.
These sausages are completely perfectly cooked. Took 15 minutes?
I would say, yeah.
15 minutes and that was it.
A lot less time than we thought.
A lot less. We were thinking at least a half an hour. We thought it'd be tough to control the flames. It was not bad at all. Concentrated on one side, kept moving it over, move things around. Does take it some tending to.
Yeah.
Cooking does, right? But these are done.
Jeff, what I'm hearing is Chris likes my outdoor kitchen.
I'm impressed so far.
This is an impressive outdoor kitchen. And it travels. It'll travel well.
So we're gonna take these off and give them a, cut them up, Nate? You gonna cut these up?
Yeah, cut them up in the taste. Then we got burgers going on.
We're gonna do burgers. How's the food?
We get the bears.
Hello.
What's up, puppies?
going on?
What's up, puppies?
Lifedoo
Yeah, Lifedoo.
brings dogs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And here comes
Yeah, come
Brown
on, though.
Bear. Here comes Brown Bear.
What's up, brown bear?
Oh, Brown Bear. Yeah, hi, buddy.
Well, they must smell something at your house, Chris, because that's where they're headed.
So, Nate went all in. He got us brisket patties, which are actually my favorite.
Yeah, I love those. Those are good.
They didn't really seem to carry them before, but lately it's been a popular
They're
item.
expensive, but they're good. Sausage is fabulous.
Sausage is delicious. We're just gonna.
Very happy with how those came out.
These are gonna be even faster.
These are gonna be no time at all.
And actually, Jeff, if you go in the car kitchen, there's some some AP hog rub,
Nice.
or killer hog AP rub rather.
Now you want to take your shoes off before you go in the kitchen?
I love this stuff.
Apparently,
Yeah, that'll be fine.
go
You know, some of
a
it's
little
gonna
heavy.
come off.
I can't wait. Jeff, if you want to grab that onion and cut it up, you can throw some of those slabs on too.
That works.
This thing's great so far, Chris. I'm loving it. I can't wait to throw this, like you said, on the back of the ATV. We just gotta bring the small wood, like all
you-
cut up.
Wait a second. Are you saying that you have an ATV?
I'm slowly unburying it.
What kind of wood, Nate?
You're an idiot wood.
Sorry, buddy.
No burger for you. All right, Jeff, set a timer. See, the
3 minutes.
first time around you said an hour, and you were way off on that.
Way off.
You want a spatula for that, or?
Yeah, I can probably go grab one. That's not a bad idea.
Why not use your fingers?
We could use a tong. I mean, you're gonna be out in the woods.
I was thinking tong, that's why I didn't bring it out. But
Yeah. Yeah, no, we'll use tongs. That'll be fine.
it actually almost smells like a charcoal grill. I don't know how those would work if you just let them on fire. They might, well, they might also just burn all at the same time.
You could probably sprinkle some on just for aroma.
So we have a technique to add wood.
This is gonna get hot.
Jeff's taking a gamble with the heat control.
Oh,
Because
yeah.
those are not gonna go out quickly.
We'll go light this time. A little on the onions. Oh, look at that.
Truly flame broiled.
Yeah, nothing. We'll leave that just for a couple.
Oh, you didn't put cheese on the rest of them?
No.
Slackers. Yeah. Woo! See, Chris was only concerned with his burger.
Yeah, one more piece.
Perfect.
Yeah, right there.
Save that one for me, that whole slab.
That's actually a pretty good looking burger.
It's mine. Gonna have to disjoint the jaw a little bit. Beauty. So here's the final verdict. First, let's check on Chris's burger. Look at that. Chris, that looks perfect.
Very happy with it.
And Jeff, what do we think of the Lifedoo?
I like it. I
Yeah?
like it. I honestly, I had, it's not that I had low expectations. I just didn't know. You know, I'm like, well, but the convenience of how flat it packs is nice. It definitely throws plenty of heat. I mean, it's pretty windy out today and we were able to cook sausage in no time at all. But I like it. I think I like it. I like it a lot, actually.
I'm
2 seconds to put together.
Yeah.
Like Jeff said, it's flat. We can actually take this on a quad, just drop it down on the back, nice and flat.
sold on it. We gotta put a link in the description, right?
We'll put a link in the description.
Down below.
And we haven't said it yet, but like, right.
As always, at the end of the video, when we
As-
forget it.
If you made it this far, anyways, we
right.
appreciate it.
You do it done on that delicious burger right
Oh,
there.
delicious. We're gonna recommend this for sure. This is actually pretty cool.
Yeah, we'll put a link in the description.
Yep.
Thanks, guys. We'll see you on the next one.
Cheers.